My name's Dr. Neil Barcher. I'm the owner of Willows Dental Surgery. We would love to meet you to have a chat about your options for straightening your teeth and the confidence that it can give you. Well, there are plenty of quick systems out there. There are absolutely phenomenal amounts of different systems that come onto the market. The difference between fast braces and everything else that seems to be out there is just the fact it's good. It's quick and it's good. I mean, why wouldn't you choose that option if it was my children or if it was myself or a member of my family? If you go for conventional braces, you've got the choice of having teeth taken out, which, let's be honest, is never the most pleasant experience. Regardless of how great your dentist is, it's not going to be fantastic. And it's going to take 18 to 24 months with normal, everyday, bog standard orthodontics. This system is revolutionary. Essentially what we're talking about here is a system where you don't have to take teeth out. It's done quickly and it's done well. Please give us a call, 01902 324 230, or alternatively look us up on the internet, www.willowsdental.co.uk, or email us, mail@willowsdental.co.uk. Looking forward to speaking to you.